Banale Dadde is yet another gem from Mangalore that represents the richness of Mangalore's culinary heritage. Banale means kadhai in Tulu, and since this recipe is prepared in a kadhai, hence the name Banale Dadde. Adde typically is a breakfast snack. It is kind of a healthy pancake made from rice, coconut and jaggery. It is way better than the ultra processed and refined breakfast options that we have these days. If you increase the amount of jaggery, this could very well be served as a traditional dessert. So let's dive into the recipe. Step 1 is soaking the rice overnight. Take around 3 cups of regular white rice, wash it nicely and soak it overnight or for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. Step 2 is grinding the ingredients. Along with 3 cups of rice, we are going to need 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of poha or rice flakes, 5 to 6 cardamoms and some salt. We are making a sweet version here. You could skip the jaggery and make a savory version too, but you would have to have it with chutney or sambar. If you are making it with jaggery, you can have it just by itself. Grind them all into a smooth batter, just like the ones that we make for idlis. Don't make it too runny, otherwise it will soak a lot of oil. This is how the consistency should be, like an idli batter. I am showing the consistency after I have almost finished using up the batter. I forgot to shoot it in the beginning. Step 3 is making Banale Dadde. Take a deep kadhai, add some ghee or oil. We have used a mix of ghee and coconut oil. Let it get hot and add some chopped onions. Wait till it starts to get slightly brown. Now pour 3 to 4 ladleful of the batter as shown in the video. Turn the flame to low. This is supposed to be like a thick pancake. Spread it evenly. The batter should not be thick in the middle, otherwise it won't cook from the inside. Spread it nicely, cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on a very low flame. Once you see that the top portion is cooked and dried up, flip it over carefully. Again cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And then the Banale Dadde or the rice and coconut pancake is ready. As I already mentioned, you could also make a savory version by skipping the jaggery and have it with chutney or sambar. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.